Hey guys, Technomentary with a quick fix video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPad if the screen is completely black and won't turn on or is just blank. This is the method you're going to follow. So you just need to follow these steps, which is going to be really simple. On your iPad that have all screen, you're going to see there's some buttons up top. You'll see the volume up and then volume down, and then this power button or the lock button. So the method you're going to follow is you're going to press the volume up, volume down, and then hold this side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Again, as you saw here, when we saw the Apple logo, I let go of that power button. So quickly press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then keep on holding it. And you might have to do it a few times. Now this method is completely safe and it will not delete any of your personal data, and once you see the Apple logo, it will boot up fine and you should be able to get back into your screen and the black screen issue will be solved. Again, it's going to be volume up and then volume down and then the power button. Remember, volume up, volume down, and then you hold that power button just like that, which is forcing it to completely shut down, and then reload the software. So if it's a software related issue, it will fix it for you and fix pretty much most software related issue. When you do this, sometimes you might also need to charge it for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, up to even half an hour. So make sure you have a real genuine Apple charger and charge it. If you're using a charger, maybe it's broken or it's not working, also check to make sure there's no dust or debris in the charge port, and go ahead and try this step, and hopefully that after that your iPad is fixed. And if you guys found this video helpful, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPad and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.